AOOCCI C6 Pro. Hey, it's recording. Ah! Bend that back. Hi everyone. Today we're gonna try to install new AOOCCI C6 Series Pro. But before, actually, we're gonna remove the Garmin. I'm gonna remove those lights. I mean, look at this. When I'm riding, it's just bouncing constantly, and I don't think they're actually road legal. There is some markings there, but this is just a sticker, so they need to come off. But before that, let's have a look at what's in the box. So it's the AOOCCI C6 Pro series. It's a Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Let's have a look what's in the box. So we've got manual operation guide here. There is actually there's a free 64 gigabytes memory card. There's actually unit itself, and it's quite. I think it's a 6-inch. I think. Yeah, it's quite big if you compare to my iPhone 13. Look at this. It's quite nice and big in size. And then there's a tire pressure monitors, waterproof power box, so that's the power supply for it. There's 2 HD cameras as well that will go on the front and the back of the car. They will go on the front and the back of the bike. That's why we've got the memory card, because that would be like working as a dash cam. There's some bits to install it. This is the camera extension lead. A few other bits to, I think, some plastic bits to install it. Remote control, so you can mount this on your handlebar. So you've got phone operating, video. I'm not sure, some functions as well. We'll test that later. Another extension lead for the camera, and the sunshade goes straight in there. It looks pretty good. Also, there is another kit for installing on the. There is one for handlebar, one for the mirror, and one like a universal. Everything goes on like a 1-inch ball system, so that should be relatively easy. But before we start installing this, I need to take off all the Garmin, the lights. I mean, look at this mess here. All the cables and everything. So let's crack on with removing those bits, and I'll speak to you soon. I'll show you. It looks like this. It's been quite a long time here with the rust and everything, so that's coming off. That probably are gonna have to reposition somewhere else. Okay, let's crack on. So I took it off, all the cables off. I think I've been lucky. This is like, I think it's like a BMW power outlet. So I'm gonna cut these wires here, reconnect to the power supply, so it should use exact same. So when you start the bike, then the power will go on to the unit. Yeah, so I don't need to look for any power source or anything like this, because already been found it. Now I'm gonna take the lights off and everything else, so we've got clear run here. I'll show you guys. It's like a spider web with cables here. Look at this, connections there. That goes to that switch, which goes as a yellow light and a white light. We've got double, and then look at this. There's some cables. This is what this one goes, I think, to the left one. There's a one wire coming here, then the other one's going, I don't really know where actually. So that goes on top of the horn. Yeah, look. It's absolutely crazy. you're not gonna believe that. Look at this. So that's the cable from light cables, or nest of them, and this is the plus, this is the minus, this is negative, and then positive goes to this relay, which I believe is for the extra horn, because there was like a, I think, I don't know if it was sun bomb, but look at this. This is how that's been connected. The extra horn doesn't work, probably because of that. This is the mount what I'm gonna use. This is like a handlebar mount, and I wanted to position it right in the middle, but have a look at this. Because of that support for the screen, I can't really put that in there, so it's gonna go back here, well, probably like that, this way, because of the screen as well. I'm gonna test this AOOCCI Uni actually in 3 weeks time, because this bike, I've got another GS bought in November, it's 1250 GSA actually, so this one is going to be left abroad. This one is going to go to Poland. We're going to drive to Poland on around Easter time, but instead of going London straight to Poland, we're going to go through France, Corsica, Italy, Slovenia, Austria and up. So stay tuned, we'll see. Okay, let's have a look how that looks like. I think it's not too bad. Progress so far. That's installed in position. Now I'm just doing the camera, setting up the camera. So that's the camera. You've got the little dot there showing where's the top, where's the bottom. There's some clips here. So I've got the camera here. That clips straight onto this. There's double side tape on here. Basically like a camera, and then you can adjust this. So the rear camera, this is where I'm gonna, well, already mounted. You can put 2 screws on either side as well, just for extra security. I was thinking to put it on this side, but I don't know. I don't know if probably I'm gonna see this, or we'll see later. So I just mounted the remote control here. It was a little bit too tight. I want to put it the closest as possible to the hair, basically, but it's not much space, and that's quite thick here. So this is the GPS mount. This is how it was. This is a connection, and we've got positive here, negative there, and this one is not in use, so I'm gonna reconnect exactly like this. Okay guys, so I just resoldered the socket to the, I hope they can see it a little bit tidier. Okay, so I've wired everything in. It's just temporary, obviously. Everything connected: power, front camera, controller, there's a rear camera, everything plugged in. The front camera is not connected yet. I don't really know where to put it. I might just put it here, just on the side. We'll see. That's the rear camera extension, which is there. Look at this. When you turn it on, is it working? Is it working? You can put your own logo on it. How cool is this? Now let's have a look if it's gonna be loading. Do I need to start it? Oh yeah. Now, where the cameras are? Oh, let's try to press this. Hey, it's recording. Okay, that's the front. We've got the speed recording here, which is obviously 0. Wednesday, that's wrong. Not 50, it's not 8:30 in the morning. Today is actually 29th of March, so most of stuff is so tidy up. I took that USB off in the end. There was a little bit of cables there, but it's quite a big bunch with a power supply, so you couldn't really hide it anywhere else. Front camera there. That's the unit, cable ties. I need to just tidy this up and put the screen back on, and pretty much done. Relatively easy to install it. I will get some tips later on, write down and tell you guys what would be best, what I've missed or any hiccups I had on the way. I'll put everything together now and see if we can get out on the road and test them. Maybe I can put some footage actually of those cameras, see how they record. So screen is back, everything installed, nothing's touching here. It was touching first of all, but I moved it a little bit. Camera in there, cables running all the way up there. Got the rear camera there. That's how it looks like in position. So it's not that small, I think it's 6 inches. So let me just grab a helmet and we'll see how that works. So guys, we're on the road now. It seems to be working quite nice. It's nice clear screen, you can see quite nice. I can't see any reflection. I think I positioned it the way that you can't really see anything and the reflections in the screen, even if it's very shiny. But we'll see in the 3 weeks time how we get there to Corsica and Italy. I can't wait to do that trip, to be honest. I can't really wait. But yeah, I will put some footage from that device as well, from the both front and the rear camera. See how it's recording, can that be used on the YouTube or not? If it can be, that's absolutely fantastic. I will probably get another one for my another bike. Oh, just someone crashed into me. Lucky enough I've got the camera. Yeah, it's not great, is it? I could see him in the mirror. Yeah, I'm fine.
Sorry about that, I didn't see you turning off.
I'm okay.
Sure you're right?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just
I'm sorry.
just a bike. Right, let's get some let's exchange the details and
yeah.
Okay. Can't find my can't see the bits of my number plate. Just a little bit came off, but can't see where it is. Some plastics there. I don't think that's from my car. My car. Yeah, definitely from the Golf. Oh, the exhaust sticking to the. Yeah, it's touching here. So bend that back. I was going to talk about my new AOOCCI and that happens. how is it riding? I think it's fine. It's just more cosmetics. I wasn't doing too fast. He wasn't too fast as well. So the thing is, I need to fix everything. Everything we're gonna go. We're leaving on 17th of April, so a little bit annoying. Well, hey, happens. Lucky enough, I'm okay. The guy's fine. I'm okay at the moment. We'll see in the evening, you know, once the adrenaline gets down. Yeah, resume drive home. Lucky enough, I've got the dash cams now. He said I wasn't indicating. I'm pretty sure I did. I'm pretty sure I did. I will check the footage in a minute, but I'm pretty sure I did indicate. The guy said it indicated. He couldn't see the indicator working. The front is working. You can see reflection there on the screen there, and the rear is working. And the other rear, yeah, it's both working. Hi guys, it's been a week now since I had an accident. I feel okay. It's just tiny little bit pain back, but I'm pretty sure that's going to go away quite soon. Just want to say how great AOOCCI been for this accident, actually, what I had. You can't see the indicator there, but the guy said he couldn't see me turning. But if you look at the footage from the rear camera, you can clearly see press the brake, and that for insurance that was good enough. I mean, he hit me in the back anyway, so pretty much his fault. If you want to get AOOCCI, there's a link in the description. You will get 22% off for, I believe, for any AOOCCI product, or if you go just to AOOCCI, add to your basket, and you can use my code, which is Chris MotoQuest, as you should get 22% off. Yeah, the footage is great. I hope for my insurance, no, and in my case, it's been really good. I'm quite happy. I'm probably going to use some of the footage from the next trip which we're going. I just got the second-hand exhaust from eBay and some indicators. I need to fix it before we're going. That's going to be in what, week and a half, I think. So yeah, that's quite exciting. I need to check the frame if it's not twisted or anything like this, but should be fine. It wasn't that much of the impact, so just want to say how AOOCCI saved my butt, to be honest. Okay, so I'll wrap up on this, and stay safe and see you in the next one.